The best battery company in the world. Look at that. That's amazing. Mr. Juan, do you work at the one in San Bernardino sometimes?
Hey,
Or Fontana just here?
Fontana, San Bernardino, Vaso, Hesperia.
You worked at all four of them, okay. It's Victorville too, don't they have a Victor? So it's five now. This, I very rarely drive this car. It just sits, look at it. Costs me a battery. But here at California Battery, get brand new ones. Perfect. Gould National Battery, GNB. You remember GNB, Gould National Batteries? You probably wasn't even born back then, Juan. The same battery. They just put a different case on it and a different name. Used to deliver those back in the day. Gustavo said 32 years ago, and I said, that's about right. Right? Thank you so much, Juan.
Hey.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna go park it and it's gonna sit again. You need another battery in 6 months. I believe I better drive it more.